Hi guys, it's Flo. I'm here today with a dupe video. Today is about the Natasha Denona Safari palette that I'm going to be comparing with MAC and COLOURPOP eyeshadow. I have both MAC and COLOURPOP entire eyeshadow collection, and the shades that I picked up are the closest that I can find in those collections. For those who want different options or are interested in a few shades from a palette, I think this can be interesting for you. Also, buying the whole set of product is more expensive than buying the palette in general, but not in this case, because we all know that Natasha Denona's palettes are very expensive. The cost difference is not that huge, but still interesting. The cost of the Safari palette in US dollar is $129. The cost with option using all MAC is $101, and the cost with ColourPop is $81. If you are interested in my comparison, please check out the link down below to learn about my dupe project. For more pictures and for more information, you can also check out my Instagram, where I post every single day. So I hope you will enjoy this video and see you very soon.